Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I will be featuring Toyotress. Big thank you to Toyotress for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I am trying Yankee twist for the second time. I have tried this hairstyle once before on my channel, and now that this is my second time, I feel like I can show you a little more of my own technique. So this is my braid pattern that you see here. So I knew I wanted my braids in the front of the hair to be very close together because you want this to be like a seamless look. So the braids on top are straight back, and I tried to put them as close together as possible. Then as I get to the sides, I started to braid going down, just following the direction that I know the hair would be laying. So the exact hair that I have is their 12-inch, and the color is F1B-350. This has like a really nice auburnish color to it, and I feel like there's like some low lights in there. It's really, really pretty. I love it. This is a nice length. It's modest, and you can trim it if you want more of a natural tapered fro look. Inside of this package, you get 8 packs of the Yankee twist, so that is more than enough to complete a full look. So you only need 1 set of these, and 1 set includes 8 packs. So I'm going to use the crochet needle that was sent over with my package, and it's really simple. I start off with taking 2 pieces of the Yankee twist. You can do 2 or 3 depending on how fast you want to move and how much you want to fluff the hair out at the end. So I like to stick to 2 pieces, and I take 2 pieces and I put that onto my crochet hook once it's through my hair. Close the hook, pull it through, and then just secure it by looping the end of the Yankee twist through that loop. And that is good enough for me. Depending on how long you wear this, you can double loop it. That's just going to give you extra security. But when it comes to these crochet styles, I don't have a problem with just looping it one time because I'm not wearing them for such a long period of time that I need to double or triple loop. So as far as the hair, I was able to get a full look with this set. I did not need any more. And as you can see, my braids in the back weren't that close together. So in the back, I was kind of freestyling as to where I put the Yankee twist, but I still made sure it was enough to conceal and cover my scalp. So I'm going to continue to repeat the same process all throughout the head. I'm going to have all the links down in the description box. This hair is available on Amazon, so you can purchase this right off Amazon. And I do have a discount code if you don't want to purchase off Amazon and you want to go directly to their website. I have a discount code so you can cop it off the website. But also something different that I did with this hair was at the end. I did add a little bit of product to this hair. I added some water and some mousse just to see what that would do for me. And I feel like I did notice a little difference. This isn't human hair, so it's not going to absorb those products the way human hair would. But I do feel like it changed the look of the hair a little. So if you have any tips on that, let me know. I've also seen a video where someone unraveled their Yankee twist, and oh my God, that was so pretty. But baby, I don't have time to unravel all of these. Can you imagine? He has some patience because woo, but it was well worth it. So what I'll do is I'll link that video down below in case you're interested. But I love this hairstyle. This is very different. This is for my ladies that love that fro twist out look. It reminds me of a twist out, or it can even be a braid out. It just gives a very natural, carefree look. And I like that they offer a variety of colors. So if you want to stick to natural black, they have that. If you want to do more of an ombre, or if you want to try something like this, like a little pop of color, but not too much, you know, little subtle, they have that as well. So definitely check the links down below and you can see all the different colors and lengths that they have to offer. Let me know what you guys think about this style and this pattern. I like this braid pattern because I'm able to wear this in a few different ways. I can even wear this down the middle if I want. The first time I did these, it was the first time. So I didn't really know about like braiding pattern and foundation and all of that, but this being the second time, I felt more comfortable experimenting. So you guys let me know what you think down in the comment section. Don't forget, all links to Amazon will be down in the description box. Any products that I used will be in the description box or will pop up here in the video. Please don't forget to like this video on your way out, and I will see you beauties in the next one. Bye.
can feel it in the streets. On a day like this, Yankee, it feel like summer. I feel like summer.